Alright, hello Horizon Hobby. So this is the 3S Senton that I wrote to you guys about through eBay. As noted by your representative there, spinning each wheel individually does not make any noise. However, excuse me, spinning two wheels at the same time produces that drive shift clicking. Now, your representative suggests that it could be way back here in the gears, possibly the motor, I think. Sound-wise, it definitely sounds like it's coming from this range here. However, it could be back there, and I'd guess that's a safety feature to keep everything from blowing out, if that is correct. Otherwise, servo sounds good, and I'm actually going to be upgrading this to 6S specifications with the BLX 185 and the 2050 kV motor, as well as the appropriate servo. But that's another matter, and actually I do have some other questions for you guys, because I am familiar with robotics. However, this is my first RC vehicle, and hopefully I can follow up with you guys on another video or email or even possibly phone call. So thanks very much, and there's the sound.